Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how I make over $10,000 in a month on TikTok. And TikTok is an app, obviously, that is paying people an absurd amount of money right now because they are competing now with not only Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, they're also now competing with Amazon, eBay, online retailers because they're getting into the selling space where you can actually buy and sell products in the TikTok app, and people will make videos, link products, and you can buy those products and make money every time somebody buys one of those products that you're either promoting or selling. So there's really three main ways to make money on TikTok right now. So in today's video, and by the way, I'm making money on all three of them, of course. You know me, or maybe you don't know me, but I try out basically all the different side hustles. I have a community group down below. It's called the TikTok Shop Premium Program. When you join that, you will get access to my tutorial video on how to set up your own TikTok shop to start selling your own products. And I've been able to generate over $1,000 in a single day with that program. And there's a 30-day free trial right now if you join. And you do not need a following at all. You can literally start on a brand new account, 0 followers, and actually start generating good income. So join that link below if you'd like. We also have a Faceless YouTube channel program that a lot of people are enjoying so far. That's another way I make money is right here on YouTube. And you can check that out. There's also a 30-day free trial. But today we're talking about TikTok, and I'm gonna break down all three different types of ways that you can start making money on TikTok. And again, this is absolutely absurd. TikTok is, in my opinion, the best way for people to start making money quickly on social media. I think YouTube, just being honest, is way better than TikTok in terms of making long-term money. Because once you gain a following on YouTube, you can start getting views over time and make money long term. But in terms of TikTok, I've never seen a way where you can start making money literally day one on TikTok. And there's so many different ways to monetize. So, and you can do that on YouTube as well, but it's, in my opinion, on TikTok, it's just way easier. So I'm gonna sync up my computer, go over the different ways that I've been able to generate 10K of income. $10,000 in profit in a single month on TikTok. And I just want to be, completely transparent with you guys and just show you my numbers. Of course, this video is, I'm encouraging you guys to join my group below, but you don't have to, right? When you join that group, you'll get my tutorial videos, and then you'll also get our group chat. That's the main part. You get the group chat where I give you feedback and you can message me and everything. And I'll help you grow your page and all that stuff. But for now, for this video, I'm going over all the three ways, giving you guys some free knowledge. Let's dive in, shall we? Okay, so the first one I wanted to discuss about is TikTok Shop. So TikTok Shop is taking on Amazon, one viral video at a time. So basically, the way it works is you can make a video promoting a product, and you essentially can buy the product that's being showcased in the video. For instance, this is a pink liquid eyeliner that this person's using. Looks like this is actually a live stream. And so while somebody's watching this video, they can go ahead and purchase this product. Same thing here. This is a lip gloss. This is not a live stream. This is just a regular video. And you can click on there and it'll take you to this link right here. That's 20 bucks. Now you can buy it. Why is this important? Because it's different from Amazon where you're like searching up a specific product. TikTok is recommending you videos with products that you didn't know you needed. And who is victim of buying stuff that you don't know you needed? Everyone. That's basically all of marketing. That's how grocery stores are set up. Grocery stores, I don't know if you guys know this, there's a lot of research and marketing that goes into how grocery stores are designed. They put the eggs in the back. You ever notice that? They put the bread at the beginning. So when you walk in, you smell the bread and you start to get hungry. And they put the milk, the eggs, the meat all in the very back. So that way you have to walk through the aisles and see chips, see candy, see soda on your way there. So because a lot of grocery stores, they lose money on the milk. Or like Costco, they put the chicken, rotisserie chicken in the back. It's like $5-6. But you gotta walk through the whole, and God knows everybody ain't going to Costco just to get the chicken. They're gonna go, oh, I need that, I want this, I want that. And that's how Costco makes their money, by upselling. So that's essentially what TikTok is doing. They're showing you videos of products that you're like, oh, that looks amazing. And you're actually watching somebody use it. So it's like basically real-time reviews. It's genius, really, what it is. They're calling it shoppertainment. So there's 2 ways you can make money with TikTok Shop. Number 1 is you can become a TikTok affiliate, meaning you can sign up and promote other people's products. This is what I'm doing on my page right now. I actually have 2 pages. TikTok Rideshare Hub. I have 2 pages where I'm posting videos. Here's a great example. I recorded this video with my friend.
It is literally 87 degrees in here. Why is it so hot? I'm melting.
Come on in here. It's really cool in here.
What is this? What do you want?
This is the AC I got from TikTok Shop.
Oh.
Come here. It's really cool in here. Watch. So this is basically the new thing from TikTok Shop. It's going viral. I'm playing my new video game that I just got, but watch this. So basically all you have to do is just get some ice in here, and all you have to do is put it up here on the top. It makes it super cool. Come sit here. Come sit with me. Sit with me. I love this thing. Watch this. You can speed it up. Change the lighting. Look at that.
So good.
So you can buy one of the TikTok Shop, but for now I'm gonna keep playing my video game, okay? Oh my God! So I'm going after the making kind of the funny skits, promoting products. But yeah, you can just basically ask these companies to send you these products for free, and then you start promoting them. I also did a video with this digital camera too. So this AC thing for summer, like, I'm promoting that, and I get $3 to $4 every time somebody buys it. This one, same thing.
So I just got this camera off TikTok Shop, so I just booked this professional model to take photos with in Laguna Beach.
Oh, there's music on that one. I don't want to play that one. But yeah, so basically, there's music in that one too. I don't want to get copyright. But yeah, you can see I'm just reviewing different products, and every time somebody buys it, I get, a couple bucks on the sales. Now, the other way that you can, also, I'm doing it on this channel too. This is the Rideshare Hub TikTok page. And by the way, on my personal page, I have 1 million followers. Rideshare Hub, I have 300K. So that's another reason why you might want to join my course, is because you're actually going to be learning from somebody who's, getting millions of views on TikTok. Look at this one, 3 million views. This one, 1.6.
Hi, how are you?
I just posted this 2 weeks ago. This one I posted around 2 weeks ago as well. And I'm generating millions of views, guys, and getting paid for these videos. 1.4, 2.1, 1.7, 1.9 million, 5 million views. You know how much money I made on this video, guys? I think I made like around $1,000 or more. So this is another way that I'm making money, is just posting videos by getting views, and they pay you, and you'll notice on all my videos they're over 1 minute long. 105, this one 104, this one 105, this one 108, this one 102, this one 105. Every single video has to be over a minute in order for them to pay you based on views. So and then on here, so these ones are more like reviews of the actual products. On this page, how I promote the products is I just integrate them right into the video. This one, we are promoting this TikTok Shop product. They're actually sunglasses, and you can't see it on desktop, but on your phone, there's a link that pops up where you can click on it. And even this one, I see what you're doing, upselling on TikTok Shop. So the viewers don't even care. They actually think it's funny. They're like, haha, I see what you're doing. 14 people liked it. And so we just literally wear the videos, feature the product in the video, And, you know, people buy it and I get a percentage of the sale. I think that one I have like a $15 commission because it's a more expensive product. But people are making like so much money on TikTok. And go follow my page and interact with the videos and watch them and see how I do. This one is a little more of a serious video. A doctor told me that I had really bad allergies, so I went and bought this air purifier. Because I do genuinely have really bad allergies, like super bad. I can't be around dogs or cats or dust mites. So anyways, I just was like, I have a solution. And then the last way you can make money, guys, is by creating your own TikTok shop page. This is the shop that I'm personally working on, is Melrose Boutique. This is my personal shop that I started. And I'm gonna probably start a couple more shops here soon once I work out all the kinks, because this is brand new. This is the, and again, when you join the link below to TikTok shop, I'm gonna help teach you how to set up your own shop like this. And then I'm also gonna teach you guys how to promote products like this in your videos and literally start making, guys, some people are making tens of thousands of dollars a month. It's crazy, 80 grand a month, some of these people. And I'm personally, you know, I can just show you, let me show you a screenshot of my earnings on TikTok so you guys don't know so you guys know for sure that I'm not, you know, capping. And you guys can see I make over 10K a month, because I don't want to just say it. Like I gotta what is it called? Walk the walk, not just talk the talk. I'm trying to pull up my screenshot earnings. I remember or not screenshot earnings, but my actual TikTok page. Here we go. Yeah. I'm gonna send this to my computer. This is my TikTok dashboard earnings right here. So, oh gosh, that did not work. Here we go. This is my earnings so far all time on one of my accounts. And you can see in June I made over $11,000. That was a really good month. After this, guys, keep in mind I have several different businesses. TikTok is not the only thing I do. TikTok is actually a side hustle for me. So some of these months I'm only making like $2,000, $1,000, but this month I hit 11K. That was a really good month for me, just being honest. But I ended up did transitioning to try out something else, because for me, I'm at the point right now where 10K a month, I know it sounds crazy, guys, but you know, I have a business, I have people who work for me, I have expenses and everything. So making 10K a month, it's great, but for me, this took, I noticed that it was taking all my energy. I was posting all day, every day on TikTok, and I didn't really have time for anything else. And for me, again, like 10K a month, it's, you know, I have expenses, like I pay some people who work for me like thousands of dollars a month. And so I have editors, I have people who do my thumbnails, I have basically like a part-time to almost full-time, not full-time, but like a part-time assistant who I pay decently well. And you know, these things add up. So for me, 10K a month is really good, but at the same time, you know, I was looking for something else that paid me a little bit more. But as you can see, I still continually kept posting in, you know, over the past, what was this, basically year, I made 37K from TikTok. So anyways, guys, let me know if you have any questions down below. This is just, you know, me showing you guys how I personally make money on TikTok. I think there's so many crazy good ways to make money on TikTok right now that you would be foolish not to try it out. So again, if you're interested at all, you can go to the link below and try out my course. There's a 30-day free trial right now if you want to join my TikTok shop program. And then we also have the Faceless YouTube channel program, which you've probably heard me discuss in other videos. But yeah, just start the free trial, and there's 30 days for free. So if you don't like it, you can leave at any time. But otherwise, guys, I would love to have you in there, because I want to help guide you through it and walk you through it. I literally was able to buy my dream house doing social media, doing YouTube, TikTok. Mainly YouTube and TikTok, just to be honest, guys, are my main hustles right now. And I quit my job 5 years ago. I paid off all my credit card debt. I paid off all my car debt. I bought a house. You know, I don't really, like, just my life has changed because I didn't grow up with any money. I actually grew up with like negative dollars. I kept hitting those overdraft fees. So doing YouTube and TikTok changed my life. And again, check out one of my programs down below or check out both and see if you like any of them. I'm probably going to be making another program soon on Shopify dropshipping because that's another thing I have really good experience with and something I have made good money with. And I have a few shops up right now with dropshipping that I don't know, I just really like it. This is actually, I did end up, just while we're at it, this is a Shopify dropshipping site I have up where I'm selling jeans and bikinis, crop tops, dresses. I'm selling a lot of different stuff on here. This is all drop shipping. And they're actually pretty nice clothing. I actually sold like 20 of these dresses. And they're very basic dresses. So basically you pay like, I think I pay like $12 for the dress, and then you can sell it for whatever price you want, so you make the profit. And you don't need to buy any inventory, which is why I like drop shipping, because you can add in literally, like, I have hundreds of products, or maybe like, I think like over 100 products, and I don't need to store any inventory. So anyways, you can see I do a lot of different little side hustles, but for now this is the TikTok video, and let me know your thoughts with this one. Take care, we'll talk soon.